The environment you live in is reflected by your personal circumstances. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. If I look to your environment, I will see how you are managing your life. If I see your room where you live in, I will see the dust, I will see how it's messy, if it's in the order. I will see how you are structuring everything in your life. I can't get over it that I lived in a messy apartment for a long time. I can't get over this idea because I understand that how you manage everything in your life, that's kind of the circumstances you are bringing into your life. And that's what kind of relationships you're attracting. Okay? So you need to always consider having things in order. Manage your projects right. Fix up your clothes. Clean the mess on the floor. Vacuum your room. Do something great today so you will be able to consistently keep producing and having everything at the right place. Wipe the dust off the shelves. Do something that will make you being there and living in that inspiration of your inner beauty. It's your choice, and you can choose to be organized. You can choose to fix the things around you. You can choose to serve to your people. You can choose to be a tidy person. Okay? Nice haircut, beautiful washed body, however, okay? You need to organize things so they will be able to carry on. Because how you do things, that's what you attract. And you want to attract good people. You want to attract beautiful things in your life. If you want to manifest something great, you need to be ready to accept that greatness. That was Primoz, and I hope that you enjoyed my suggestion for you today.